friends, are you preparing for IAS and want to brush up your answer writing skills? Then you are at right place. Myself, Dr. Viren from Unique Shiksha and Premier Institute in Delhi, guiding and inspiring students more than a decade. Friends, today we will discuss an important question from international relations, which may be asked in General Studies Paper 2 in IAS mains examination. The question is, briefly discuss South China dispute and the reasons behind rise in its geopolitical importance in recent years. Friends, this question becomes important because recently there is a tension between the United States and China over this China Sea disputes. There are other party to the disputes, so therefore it may be asked in coming examinations. So let's see how to deal with this question. Friends, before writing any answer in IAS mains examination, it is very important to develop a ideal answer structure. We will discuss this answer structure. First of all, you should start with 40-50 words. What is geographical stretch of South China Sea and what is geopolitical? In body part, you should explain South China Sea dispute and the reasons behind increase in geopolitical importance of South China Sea. Your body may have 120 to 130 words. In conclusion, in 50-60 words, you should conclude your discussion. And secondly, you should also suggest India's standover dispute as a way forward. So let's see how we can develop and discuss this frame further. Friends, in introduction, you should describe the geographical stretch of South China Sea as marginal sea of the Pacific Ocean from Karimata and Malacca states to the state of Taiwan. You can also see the location of South China Sea in the given picture, and this area has been shown by dotted lines. You can see the geographical location of South China Sea. After that, you should also define what do we mean by geopolitical. Basically, geopolitical is nothing but these are the political effects of geographical attributes such as location of a country. It affects international relations and relations with other countries. In other words, the geographical location and its attributes have an impact over the political decisions of that country and the influence in this area. Friends, you should explain South China Sea in body part. You can see in the picture, this is the location of South China Sea, and you can see the different lines in different colors representing the claims in this area by respective countries. This red line represents the claim of China. It is called 9-dash line. China claims this whole area on the basis of its historical position in this area. But other countries like Taiwan, Malaysia, Philippines, Brunei and Vietnam claim different sections of this South China Sea as their territorial claims because international laws allowed the areas in sea. Basically, the claim of China has been declined by the Permanent Court of Arbitration. It's an international arbitration who has rejected Chinese claim in this area that it has no valid basis. So therefore, the other countries in this area has taken the leverage to claim their territorial rights. We will also explain this in coming slides. Friends, you can explain the dispute from different parties' point of view. The first party is China, which claims over the whole China Sea on the basis of historical reasons and its proposed 9-dash line. Second point is the maritime boundaries of different countries in the area as per United Nations Convention of Laws of the Sea, UNCLOS. Just try to understand this. The territorial area extending to 12 nautical miles is called the territorial area of that country. Beyond that, up to 200 nautical miles, there is a exclusive economic zone area which provides exclusive rights to the country to explore this area for minerals and other purposes. Beyond that, there are high sea which are called international waters. So these waters, no country can claim its right over the sea, and these are free areas. Now just understand that countries Brunei, Indonesia, Malaysia, Philippines, Taiwan and Vietnam has maritime boundaries disputes as per UNCLOS. So basically they claim their territorial boundaries and exclusive economic zone as per international law, which is inconsistent with the Chinese claim over the whole area on the basis of dash line. Besides that, there are dispute over islands, reefs, banks and sholas. We have discussed it earlier as well. So now you can understand the dispute. Friends, in second point you should discuss that why there is an increase in geopolitical importance of South China Sea. So there are reasons for that. You can see that the involvement of multiple actors including China and the surrounding countries Vietnam, Philippines and Brunei increases its geopolitical importance. Besides that, China's economic expansion for energy needs and export routes through Malacca Strait has increased the geopolitical importance of South China Sea. Basically, recently in 2016, there is a decision by an international tribunal which has refuted the claim of the China over whole China Sea, but the China is not ready to accept this decision and it is not complying the issue. It invokes the US intervention as a rebalancing policy in the South China Sea to counter Chinese domination in the area. Besides that, India also advocates freedom of navigation in South China Sea and it supports the claims of ASEAN countries and the international law. So it seems that India is also refuting the claim of China in the area. Besides that, this area has huge amount of oil and natural gas reserves, which every country want to explore. Besides economic reasons, this area is very important from marine diversity, and 1/3 of the entire marine diversity is located in this area. So now we can understand that there are various reasons because of which the geopolitical importance of South China has increased considerably, and accordingly, the countries situated in this area are making their territorial claims. Friends, now you can conclude your discussion that involvement of multiple actors including China, ASEAN countries, United States have increased the geopolitical significance of this area. Besides that, latest events have also increased its geopolitical importance, including the latest decision of the International Tribunal refuting the Chinese claim over the whole South China Sea. Besides that, the US intervention has also fueled the situation. Moreover, China's insistence over its claim to whole South China Sea may affect the international peace and stability because it will amount to violation of international laws. So, thus, this will have ramifications for the wider Asian countries as well. In the second part of your conclusion, you can suggest remedies to improve the situation as a way forward. A principled approach through promoting international maritime laws will help in diffusing the tensions. India looks South China Sea as a part of global commons, and India has an abiding interest in peace and stability in the region. India firmly stands for the freedom of navigation over flight and unimpeded lawful commerce in these international waterways. In accordance with the international law, notably United Nations Convention on Laws on the Seas, though it may be seen as backing the US position, but it is not that. India has always backed international peace and peaceful mediation. It is also given in the Constitution of India in Directive Principles of State Policy, and it is one of the basic policy of India. Friends, just glance through the answer structure again. Friends, in this Corona days where offline classes are not available, don't compromise with your study and join our IS Live Foundation course, which provides a quality study material, live interactive classes with top teachers, and doubt resolution session. It also includes more than 100 plus tests and 750 hours of course. So please join our course. Friends, you can avail our 7-day free trial. Please sign up at uniqueshiksha.com online foundation course to access live classes, personal mentoring, test and more. Register at uniqueshiksha.com online test to evaluate your IS answer and prepare better. You can also challenge your friends to take IS Prelim challenge. Friends, please subscribe our channel by pressing the bell icon and like, share and comment. Stay on course to realize your IS goals. You can call on 8287360360 to avail any help. With these words, thanks for watching our video.